Today's 1 Minute of Zen is dedicated to all the frontline workers, to all the health professionals, teachers, and everyone else who is extending above and beyond kindness and compassion. So I dedicate this compassion meditation for their health, protection, and well-being. So take a breath in and a breath out. Close your eyes. I'd like you to think of gratitude inside your heart, something that makes you feel happy, a person, place, or thing. Extend that gratitude from yourself to the room you're in, and then even further out to the state. Take a breath in and a breath out. Offering gratitude for all the workers who are extending their kindness and open hearts for protection of others. Now, flow that gratitude to the entire country, to the entire globe.